So as I said, this is called the assisted knee flexion, and you do 3 sets and 20 reps of this in the morning and in the evening when you come in from work or wherever you come in from. Okay, and it's quite straightforward. You put a aerosol can underneath your injured leg, and then you slightly roll it back, backwards and forwards to bend the knee as far as it can go. Only move within the limits of the pain, and also slightly into the restricted range, but do not push through the pain or the resistance. So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then you stop. You rest for a minute, and then you do another 20.